Ruda ni Peaceful Political Party. Ruda in full is Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advances for 200 good many causes. Ni ishyaka nyarwanda riharanira ubumwe bw'abanyarwanda muri demokarasi yihuse ku mpamvu nziza nyinshi 200 uburyohe bw'abanyarwanda budatera diabete. Yo twe abaruda mu burezi tuwigisha abaruda n'abarudakazi n'uturuda duto tutarafatiranga muntu. Tubigisha uburezi bufite ireme n'iremezo, uburezi tukwimaze gukwirakwiza mu turere 30 tugeze igihugu, ku buryo umuntu asabwa kuba afite uburere bw'uturere twose kugira ngo abe umuruda mwiza, umuruda wakataraboneka, azabitoze n'uturuda duto tutarafata irangamuntu. Ariko biratangaje ugasanga umuntu ntafite n'uburere bw'akarere kamwe. Ibyo ninde wabibigishe? Babikomoye, babizunguye? Twabaruda tuze kubigisha interuro zitandukanye. Interuro mu cyongereza ni sentence. Kantangire mbabwira sentence ni iki. A sentence is telling a complete idea. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a period. When I say a period, is a full stop or a question mark. A sentence has two main parts. Part 1 is called a naming part. Part 2 is a telling part. A naming part naho usangamo izina ry'ikivugwa. A telling part ni kubwira icyakorwa cyangwa igikorwa. Bityo rero tuhita tumanuka kuri types of sentences. We have simple sentences or complex sentences. 3 compound sentences. Total explanation is on each type of a sentence. Simple sentence conveys one idea or thought and has one verb in it. Good examples. Barafinda has a rabbit. 2 Rwa Barafinda and Barafinda the third ride the bicycles. 2 complex sentence conveys more than one idea or thought and has more than one verb in it. Good many examples. Mr. Barafinda has a rabbit at home that lives in a hutch. They can be made into simple sentences. Barafinda found a stick or a walking stick which was very valuable. Therefore, complex sentence may carry 2 verbs in a single sentence. 3 compound sentences are 2 or more simple sentences can be put together using conjunctions to form a compound sentence. Good examples here. On nice days, Black Fire and the second ride their bicycles. They don't go out if it rains. On nice days, Black Fire and the second ride their bicycles, but they don't go out if it rains. Therefore, here we say big NB. Simple sentence always is having one verb in it. When you are speaking, thinking, and writing. Reading, you have to understand that one. If there are two verbs in a sentence, get to know automatically that is a complex sentence. If there are more than two sentences in a single sentence, get to know that that one is a compound sentence type. Therefore, we have here conditional sentences also. We have if one, if two, and if three. They have two main parts. The if clause to the main clause. Good examples here. In the sentence, if Barafinda comes, I will go out. They are conditionals. If he doesn't come, then I won't go out. If he comes is the if clause. I will go out is the main clause. That is the knowledge behind it. And if it is in present tense and future tense, that is if one. If it is in past tense and modal auxiliary, it is if two. If it has past perfect and modal auxiliary plus present perfect, that one automatically is F3 sentence. Therefore, still under the conditional sentences, let us check here kinds of conditional sentences in grammar. In the English of the English, we say one, real condition. This means real present or probable condition which can take place. There is a chance the idea in the sentence to happen. Two, an real condition. This means is improbable condition. The action has timed out before being acted. It is an real condition. That's why we say unreal. Timed out before fulfillment. Unfulfilled conditioning. This is 3. It means rejected condition. Good examples on each. The verb in the if clause is in the present tense, and the verb in the main clause is in the future tense. That is if one, or real condition. Good examples here we may continue by supplying them. If Barafinda comes back, I shall go there. If he goes to school late, he will be punished by the headmaster of Rwanda University and the secondary school in seniority. If they miss the train, they will travel by ship. In all the 3 sentences, it is quite probable that action is indicated in the if clause can be performed. There is a chance the action is to be fulfilled or to take place. That's why we call it a real condition in if clauses and main clauses under conditional sentences. 2, unreal condition. Unreal condition suggests that an action cannot be fulfilled. Good examples here. If he came, I would see him at home. If you told them about it, they would do the work. If Barafinda joined the school in England, he would get some qualitative education. Big NB. In this case, the action is indicated in the 3 if clauses are not expected to be fulfilled because timed out. The verb in the if clause is in the simple past, while the verb in the main clause is in the conditional tense or modal auxiliary. Unfulfilled condition. This is the 3rd kind of conditional sentences. This kind of conditional sentence cannot be fulfilled because the sentences refer to actions which should have taken place in the past but didn't take place at all. The sentences are said to be hypothetical ones. Good examples. If he had come, I would have seen him. Reason behind I have not seen him because never came. If she had failed, she would have cried. The reason is why she didn't cry. She passed. She did not fail. If you had run, you would have fallen down. The reason why you did not fall down is very simple, because you did not run. Big and B, they don't always contain the if clauses for conditional sentences can be expressed in some other ways. For they, here I mean conditional sentence, can be expressed in some other ways. Good examples. Had we known, we would not have gone. This one is part of the unfulfilled condition. Unless you get permission, I will not allow you to go. This is another way. You can see the manager, provided that you make an appointment to the Rwanda secretary. Therefore, should they require my help, in my Rwandas, please let me know. Were I to help him, he would refuse. Big and B in sentences. We have short sentences and long sentences too. Sentences in English must be mastered by the academicians or by the learners, so that the English you speak cannot be the picked one, but the learnt one. That one shall help you to become the good English speaker, whereby you will speak the English of the English qualitatively. You younger ones and the older ones, you have to know the difference between short sentences and long sentences, in order to increase you some accumulated knowledge. From hither and yon, ubwenge burarahurwa. Phrases or short sentences. Examples. Come here in the Rwanda's office. Sit down here. Stand up. Go there try to kneel down, climb up. Don't play with him. He hasn't come. He hadn't money. Leave us. Let them go. I feel okay. Beat him. Cook for us and boiled water. I didn't marry. Wait for me. Kill them all. Take him back. Come back. Don't go back. Sleep well as usual. That's right. It's right. Longer sentences also are very different from short sentences. Examples are below here. 1. He came here to greet us. 2. We shall make a gun. 3. It is raining now. 4. Don't hate people for no reasons. 5. Try to help people full time. 6. You lack enough education. 7. It needs to be built. 9. I go by a plane. 10. Barafinda goes with a plane. 11. Let us fight AIDS at a go, all together. Therefore, you the younger leaders, both sexes, put much effort in 24/7. Here I mean days and nights, to make knowledge accumulation by increasing your readings, researchings, writings, thinkings in top gear. Befriend books, they shall befriend you too. If you hate books, they shall also hate you. Love education, it shall love you abundantly or in wholesale. My sons and daughters, ever study the English of the English shall help you to think deeply, leading you to discover much more about the entire world. The world, people, places, and all living things and non-living things. The mobile ones and the mobile ones. You younger girls and boys, get to know that you have short period of time on earth, and God needs intellectual persons to serve in his daily businesses and different duties in different sections of lives. or sections of life, his and yon, all over the world. Because you are non-border in God's businesses. You have also to know the degrees of certainty. Are ever in three categories or three types. 1, uncertain. 2, certain. 3, more certain. In order to accumulate your English knowledge and develop your IQ, international quotient knowledge. 1, uncertain. Is when you don't have any information about something. Perhaps I can tell you that almost is guesswork. Here are examples. Perhaps Barafinda is at home. Here you are not sure. You are not sure that Barafinda is there. It may be guesswork. Barafinda may be at home. Maybe you are not very sure. The Rwanda members might be at home, or Barafinda could be at home. Here it is uncertain that they are there. 2, certain. Certain, this is when you are very sure that, or you are sure that things are there, that you know information about it. Good examples here. I am sure Barafinda is at home. And I am sure that Barafinda is the Rwanda president, the founder, legal representative in Rwanda and in external affairs. He is sure to have enough money to build the Rwanda, East Africa, Africa, and the entire world in his political plan because of his good political will. 3, more certain. More certain indicates that you are very, very, very sure in all. You are very accurate. In all steps. Barafinda probably is at home. I'm very sure that is there. Barafinda must be at home. because I saw her. I am more sure to get it, and I am more sure to get him over there at home. I am very sure that Barafinda shall organize Rwandan economy to become the sounding economy in the future periods. Also, when we talk about future, there is also another futurity, the twin sisters. When we talk of futurity, we are meaning two verbs are being used there in gerund. Using verb to go and to come. Let us supply examples here. You, the world students, pay attention. We use verb to be and verb to go or verb to come to construct the futurity sentences. I am coming to be the president by all means. You are about to tell us the truth. You are coming in Rwanda with all your efforts and confidence. He is going to help people in 10 years to come. Futurity is a future plan. She is to sell off his house in the coming month. It is going to rain in Rwanda and in Nigeria. We are coming to empty the well next 4 hours. You are going to become lame because you respected God. They are going to reach in the university after their A-level here in Rwanda. Barafinda is going to be our next chairman and the next sounding president in Rwanda, East Africa, and the entire Africa, and never to forget the whole world. Epiculture is going to be practiced here in Rwanda. This is beekeeping. So, futurity is the pragmatical future plan, whereby you are sure that you are going to do and perform what you have assigned yourself to do. When you want to identify your future plans in your general campaigns, you have to put forward the good plan to show people your good plans, to show them clearly a plan after a plan to the whole context in your general campaigns throughout the country and the international agenda in plans. When you become the good politician, you have to have the futurity. Without having the proper futurity, you are still lacking the proper direction. In other words, you don't know the function and the importance of compass direction. North, east, west, south. When you get any of north, add there E, add the W of that west, and S, you will get news. In other words, you will be lacking good news, inkuru nziza kuri futurity. On futurity, you will be lacking a lot in your life history, from Alpha to Omega. In other words, you were poorly educated and left this earth unknowingly and an educative one. And remember that God needs the intellectuals. Therefore, you have to work around the clock, minute, hand in order to help yourself, so that when God requests you, what do you have, so that I can add you something, maybe golden one. You can tell God that I have searched through reading and writing a lot of books, making world research, and I have a lot of knowledge. Just give me the real key. I have here the man-made key. Then God will add you the real original anointment, and your key will become the master key. Hence, you will become the master of academics in the world. This is your Professor Barafinda Fred, the professor of all the world professors at large. The senior politician with the total seniority in all. The real president, the president leading 10.2 million supporters here in Rwanda. And our members, all Rwanda members, are living everywhere globally, because they have the right to live, for example, to dwell or to work in their businesses, diverse businesses in every country globally. They may be living in Washington, UK, Denmark, Copenhagen. They may be in China, both Korea, Russia, in Muslim states or empire, in African common state, so long as they are performing well, because is their main target and agenda in the context of Rwanda and ruralism. Rwanda is our peaceful political party. Rwanda in full is Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advancers for 200 good many causes. Rwanda ni ishyaka nyarwanda riharanira ubumwe bw'abanyarwanda muri demokarasi yihuse ku mpamvu nziza nyinshi 200. Uburyohe bw'abanyarwanda budatera diyabete haba. Rwanda yaravutse irivukira. Rwanda yazanye ikosora mu burezi. Rwanda ize kwigisha uburezi bufite ireme n'iremezo muri byose. Rwanda izanye uburezi buzaganisha ku kuvumbura, bukumira kuvumbukana kw'abantu cyangwa kwiha kuvumbukana mugenzi wawe umuvumbukana ku byiza umwamaganira kure. Ahubwo tuze kwigisha abantu bagire umuco wo gusangira akabisi n'agahiye, agato na kanini kabonetse. Bityo rero twese dusangire igihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda, twifuza twese kuzagira umurwa mukuru wa Afurika. Bityo rero twese tuzagire imitima Imana yatubarijemo, aho kugira imitima mvanganda zo kuri iyi si. Tugire imitima myiza y'umwimerere Imana yaduhaye, iteretse mu gitereko Imana yayiteretsemo. Bityo rero ibyo bizafasha abanyarwanda, abanya East Africa, abanyafurika n'isi yose gutekereza neza no gukora neza. Bizaba ariyo ntego yacu twese hamwe. Bityo rero inyoni nkuru n'imbito zintoya kuguruka, reka abantu bakuze bajye batoza abakiri bato ibyiza gusa, babigishe amahoro arambye, azababyarira amahoro arambye. Banyarwanda, banyarwandakazi, abaturiye hano mu Rwanda n'abaturiye ku isi hose, turabasuhuza. Uyu ni perezida nyaperezida, perezida Barafinda Fred, umunyapolitike mwiza, umunyapolitike w'amahoro mu Rwanda no ku isi hose. Uyu niwe munyapolitike w'akataraboneka isi yose yari itegereje. Uyu niwe munyapolitike bababwiraga kuva kare kose. Uyu niwe munyapolitike utsinda icy'umutwe n'icyo hasi mu buryo butunguranye. Bityo rero nge nk'abandi Barafinda Fred, umusaza w'ukuri w'imyaka 250 mu bwonko, ariko urebeye inyuma nkabambura amezi 2 n'umwaka umwe ntobora igice cy'ikinyejana. Nge nk'abandi umunyapolitike w'akataraboneka mu biyaga bigari, shingiye hano iwacu Rwanda mu misozi 1000. Bityo rero nk'abandi umunyapolitike w'amahoro uharanira Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Afurika, imipaka igakurwamo muri Afurika, umunyafurika akajya atura aho ashaka, maze u Rwanda rukazaba umurwa mukuru wa Afurika, tukimakaza amahoro arambye kuri bose ibihe byose. Imana ikazadusanga tuyisanganira, idusanga mu mahoro masa, kandi amahoro si amahane, kandi amahoro ni amasoko y'amasoko n'amahoro muri byose. Tuzasoreshe abari guhera kuri 6,000,000 z'igishoro kuzamuka, naho abari munsi tubihorere bakore bakwakwanye, batera imbere, bateza imbere imiryango yabo n'igihugu cyabo n'umugabane n'isi yose. bagira ubunararibonye mu byo bakora byose, babitoza abana babo bazabe abakozi, abahanga n'ibihangange. Bityo rero bizatuma imishinga y'abakiri bato ikura igakomera ikagirira bose umumaro. Abadafite igishoro cya miliyoni 6 hakubiyemo n'urubyiruko. Iryo tegeko rero rizarengera urubyiruko bavuye mu bwangavu bwabo. Bityo rero abo bana bose bizabafasha. Abo bana nibaba urubyiruko, iryo tegeko rijye ribarengera ibihe byose. Bityo rero abo bana bose bazakura baratozejwe gukora mu masaha 24 babitozejwe n'ababyeyi babo na buri muntu wese mukuru mu Rwanda. Abana tubamenyereze gukora, bakore amasaha yose, bazatera imbere, bizababere ubukungu budakungurira ba nyirabwo, ubukungu bugira isoko, kandi isoko igira isoko n'amasoko agira isuku. Bityo rero ubukungu budakungurira ba nyirabwo buzaba bufite amasoko mu Banyarwanda. Icyo gihe abana bakiri bato bazakura bakora, nibageze imyaka 18 begurirwe imishinga yose. Nibageze igishoro cya miliyoni 6 babone gutangira gusoreshwa. Uyu ni perezida nyaperezida, Perezida Barafinda Fred, umusaza w'ukuri, umunyapolitike mwiza, umusaza mukuru w'umuzehe. Uyu ni umunyapolitike w'akataraboneka, umunyapolitike mwiza ku isi ya rurema. Nge nkaba naravutse ndivukira, navutse ku itariki 21 z'ukwa mbere 1971, hari kuwa 4. Bityo rero mw'Abanyarwanda, abanya East Africa, abanyafurika n'isi yose, mwese ndabasuhuje. Mujye munsuhuza kuri nomero yanjye ya telefoni igendanwa agasaraba 250 78 34 28 622. Muzajye munshakira no kuri Facebook, musakinge bara FBS muzambona. Hanyuma mumpigire kuri web page yanjye yitwa www.ruda.tk. Bityo rero nimunshakira kuri www.ruda.tk muzambona. Muzambitinge komenti, muzantere komenti, ubwo nukunyandikira. Muzagira icyo mubivugaho. Ibyo byose tuzaba turimo gukora umuti. Nje muti nzanye ni w'igifute n'uwakataraboneka wa bose. Iyi niyo demokarasi yihuse muri demokarasi zabanje kubaho zose. Iyi ni demokarasi nyarwanda, demokarasi nyademokarasi. Indongozi yayo ni Barafinda Fred, umusaza w'ukuri w'imyaka 250 mu bwonko, umusaza uyoka, umusaza utekereza cyane byimbitse by'akataraboneka. Bityo rero uyu niwe munyapolitike mwiza ufite impamvu nziza nyinshi 200 zateza imbere u Rwanda rwacu, n'impamvu nziza nyinshi 200 byateza imbere Afurika, tukuramo imipaka yose tugashinga u Rwanda kuba umurwa mukuru wa Afurika, dushinga Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Afurika, kabiri twita USA 2. bityo rero iyo United States of Africa tu izagira amahoro umutekano n'umudendezo muri rubanda. Bityo rero abantu bose bazabyina demokarasi, nyademokarasi ibihe byose. Iyi niyo demokarasi, uburyohe bwa bose, apana uburyohe bwa benshi cyangwa bake. Iyi niyo demokarasi, nyademokarasi ya bose, si demokarasi ya nyamwinshi cyangwa ya nyamuke. Mwese tubifuriza amahoro arambye akarambiriza hose. Bityo rero tubaye tubashimiye mwabaruda mwe n'abarudakazi n'uturuda duto tutarafata irangamuntu, aho muturiye hose ku isi yose, ku isi y'abazima. Bityo rero mwese muzagire icyifuzo kimwe cyo kuzamura ikiganza cy'amahoro gusa, amahoro masa, amahoro azira gusoresha abakene, hajye hasora ababifitiye ubushobozi. Tuzakoresha supply curve system, the ways of taxation, the taxation system nshasha izanywe na perezida wa Ruda, umunyapolitike mwiza, inzobere mu by'ubukungu. Bityo rero demand curve taxation system tugiye kuyisezeraho, yigendere yakeneshaga isoresha abakene ku isi ya rurema. Katurengera abakene, twimakaza ubukungu bwa bose, iterambere muri demokarasi yihuse. Murakoze cyane. Nsigaye ndi perezida wa Ruda, fondateri wa Ruda, umunyamategeko wa Ruda imbere mu gihugu no mu mahanga. Bityo rero uyu niwe munyapolitike mwiza, umunyapolitike w'akataraboneka.